Welcome to our tutorial on drawing in Google Slides. Whether you're a teacher, presenter, or creative thinker, adding your personal touch can make your slides stand out. In this video, we will explore different ways to unleash your inner artist. 1. Using the Scribble tool, open your Google Slides presentation in a web browser. Select the slide where you want to draw. Click the down arrow next to the line tool in the toolbar. Choose Scribble from the options. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Draw freely on the slide. Customize your scribbles by selecting colors, line weights, and styles. 2. Using Google Drawings. For complex drawings, go to Google Drive and select New, More Google Drawings. Create your drawing using the tools available, shapes, lines, text, etc. Once done, click File, Download PNG to save the drawing. Return to your Google Slides presentation. Click Insert Image and upload the saved drawing. 3. Using the Annotate extension, Chrome only, install the Annotate extension from the Chrome Web Store. Open your Google Slides presentation. Click the extension icon in your browser. Choose the pen tool and draw it directly on your slides. Save your annotations when done. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.